Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking the video. So for today's vlog guys, pag-usapan naman natin tungkol sa mga kapwa natin call center agents. Okay, shoutout sa inyo na meron na palang kidney disease or problems already or issues sa kidney. Okay, guys, para to sa mga call center agent na mahilig uminom ng energy drink, soft drinks, kumain ng chichirya habang nasa floor, mga maaalat na pagkain, yung mahihilig uminom after shift. Okay, so ito yung mga early signs guys na meron na kayong kidney problems. Okay, so pag-usapan natin yan. Alright, so let's go to number 1. Guys, if you could feel na parati na kayong nangangate, okay, kamot dito, kamot doon, mamaya makati na yung likuran mo, ganon, and you feel that you need to scratch all the time, guys, that's actually a sign, okay? Sign na rin yan na meron kang kidney problem, okay? So, of course, it could be any factor, but isa to sa mga early signs, guys. Okay? Bakit kaya ganun? Ba't ka nangangati? Okay, maybe because of the number 2. Okay? Kasi sa number 2 sign is magkakaroon ka ng skin skin discoloration, no? Magkakaroon ka ng dry skin, okay? And dahil dyan, magkakaroon ka ng scratch marks. Dahil syempre, kaya kamot ka ng kamot dahil magkakaroon ka ng dry skin. Ganon. Bakit ba nagkakaganon yung skin? Because basically because dahil din siguro sa yung urine mo kasi hindi na masyadong natatanggal sa katawan ng kidney mo, kaya normally humahalo siya sa blood. Okay, yan yung explanation ng mga doktor dyan. So pag hindi mo na natatanggal yung dumi mo sa dugo through urine, kumakalat siya throughout sa skin. Okay, so yan yung reason ng mga itchiness mo. And of course guys, as you know, kung mayroon ka mga toxins sa katawan, number 3, you will also feel tired. Okay, yung lagi ka ng pagod. Yan. Minsan nakala mo hindi ka lang nakatulog, but kahit nakatulog ka na ng madalas, you still feel tired. So yan din, possibility rin yan guys na meron ka ng kidney issues. Okay, after that, pag umihi ka, you will see na bubbly masyado yung urine mo. So parang talaga siya, makapal yung linalabas mong liquid, no? So that itself guys is also possible kidney issues. And of course, number 5, ang pinaka talagang obvious is magkakaroon ka na ng mga swelling. Okay, ito na yung gout, one of that. Makikita mo na meron kang parang mga somehow magana yung paa mo, yung siko mo, ganon. So that itself guys, meron ka ng siguro for certain may kidney issue ka na. So anong magandang gawin? Okay, for me guys, kasi kung ganito na yung situation mo, and you're working on a call center, and trust me guys, marami akong kakilalang mga ganito, I think it's best to consult your doctor. I myself, of course, I'm not a doctor, and disclaimer lang, I'm just doing this for information purposes only. So better guys na pumunta na lang kayo sa doktor so that they can properly advise you. Tandaan nyo guys, yung kidney problem is not something na dapat nating isala sa walang bahala, because tolerated pa ng katawan natin. Tandaan natin guys, pag sumobra-sobra na to, biglang maniningil na lang yan. Okay, baka mamaya hindi ka na bumangon, or it could really put you on a more serious illness. Okay, so as early as possible pa siya matreat, mas maganda talaga guys kung ma-stop natin yung kidney issues. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so very much, and I hope this helps. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.